Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick overview of what I'm currently running right now. I've got a 650 watt EVGA power supply, Rx590 graphics card, 8 GB Fat Boy, a Ryzen 3500x CPU that I bought from AliExpress. It took like 3 weeks to get here, but I ended up paying like $80 for it. I've got the B450M Pro V8 VDH Max motherboard. It's got 4 slots. That's why I wanted it. It's got 2 sets of 16 GB DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM. So, and these work flawlessly together. I got the Corsair, and then I've got Ripjaw that I bought from my friend. And then I've got 1 TB solid state drive, and then two 2 TB hard drives.